Okay, so we are going to understand the inventory. Okay, what is the meaning of inventory and related aspects. Okay, so inventory is nothing. It is the raw material. Okay, it is the raw material that is purchased by business entity to prepare finished goods. Okay, like let's say suppose there is a business owner who is dealing in business of selling furniture products like chairs and tables and sofa sets and likewise. Okay, so he has to acquire raw material. Okay, he has to acquire raw material to process such goods. Okay, now what happens whenever there whenever any business owner purchases the inventory. Okay, what happens, there are two circumstances. First one is that for purchasing the inventory, the business entity pays cash to the supplier. Okay, against the purchase of raw material or inventory from the supplier. Okay, and that portion, that cash paid to supplier, will be considered in income statement. Okay, but let's say suppose we have a good relation with supplier and supplier may allow credit of 2 to 3 months to the business entity, okay, from whom we purchase our inventory. Okay, so it will become our liability if we will not pay the supplier immediately on purchasing of raw material or inventory, then it will become a liability. Okay, so it will be classified in balance sheet. Okay, so once again, like there are two circumstances, one and two. If we purchase inventory, either we will pay cash to supplier immediately or we will not pay and we will pay later on in time. Okay, and that component will be classified in balance sheet. Okay, so that is what we have given in the current question. Okay, we can also, this liability we can also refer to it as supplies. Okay, and this is supplies expense. So expense will be recorded in income statement, and liability part, because it is not a liability, it is just the inventory. Okay, so it will be classified in balance sheet, so that matches with choice A, that is balance sheet. Okay, so supplies will be classified in balance sheet. Okay, that's all for our solution. However, you can write sheet number 1 as well as sheet number 2 onto your notebooks for future reference. But the answer will be choice A. Okay. Thank you.